I'm Lesley Logan. I'm here at my Pilates Haven, and I wanted to do the kneeling push down on top of the chair for you, also known as like washerwoman. It's a great tool for kind of testing what you know about the push down and how much you can really use your legs to stand on. For me, when my legs are straight, it's really easy to lock my knees out, and so I can kind of cheat through the push down. But when I do it with my knees kneeling, it really does allow me to see where I kind of like cheat a little bit and how much more seat I need, and then I can go do my push down standing because I know how to ground into my legs. So you'll come kneeling on here, and then your arms would go up to the sky, and then you'd round forward. So if you have someone at home that you trust, they can press onto your feet. But what I find is it becomes like a habit, right? Then they're always there to help you get up and down. We end up using quads and hip flexors and back to get up. So the more you can think about, okay, I have the strength to stand into my own legs, right? Did you see how the more I stood in my legs, the more musculature turned on? Then I can go around and down, and I'm still going to lift up just like any push down. And I know my seat's sticking backwards. Hopefully it's not sticking out. And then once I meet the pedal, I'm going to try to move my body weight forward so that more of my body weight is between my hips and the pedal. And then I lift my center up to reach my spine down. So we talked about this in a couple other videos, that it's not about the shoulders pushing the pedal up and down. I have to move my spine into the pedal and then pick my spine up to close the spring. I move my spine into the pedal, and then I pick it back up. One more time. Move, and I'm going to pick it back up. Now, this is the hard part. I have to come up. Most people here stick the butt out. Don't do it. Pull your hips forward over your knees and come up. So I could definitely have had my hips more over my knees, and the ideal is when you're doing the push down up and down that your hips are directly over your knees. So if you have someone to hold you, to get that feeling over there, it is nice, and then let them take their hands away and you try to keep it. It's a nice challenge, right? So I hope you enjoyed playing with that, and again, teaching yourself how to stand in your legs, because you'll need that when you're on the reformer for arm circles, thigh stretch, chest expansion. The more you can learn to stand on your bent knees and get your center up, the more it's going to change a lot of your Pilates practice. I'm Lesley Logan. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.